Welcome to 303D Colony Cove. This beautiful third floor unit has amazing views of the blue Caribbean Sea, Buck Island, Green Key, and Christiansted Harbor. It has been totally renovated, so everything is new. Floors, walls, plumbing, electrical, everything. Take a look. From the private gallery of this beautiful condo, you can see the neighboring islands, Longreach, Buck Island, Green Key, Christiansted Harbor, and of course, the beach. You may also see sailboats or motorboats, windsurfers, snorkelers, and seabirds gliding by. This is the perfect place to experience glorious sunrises with your morning coffee or tea and watch the sky change colors in the evening while sipping a cold beverage. The variety of colors is amazing.